guys, this is Allie with Allie's Vintage Camera Allie, and see what we got today. This is my location in Florida. Doesn't really have many places to buy vintage cameras, at least where I'm located. So this person packed really good. Always good to see all the padding. All right. So we've got the Nikon F, the first photo mic, and I can't wait to do a review on it and test it out. So when you get a new camera from, a used camera, you want to do a quick inspection. And the first thing you want to do, or at least that I do, is take the lens off. And the lens looks pretty good. The aperture, let's turn the aperture and make sure it opens and shuts pretty good. Open, closed. So that's good. It's just a little dusty. I'll have to clean it, but it looks pretty clear. And it didn't come with any caps, so just carefully place the glass over there. So the next thing you're going to want to look at is the mirror foam inside, and this one looks pretty non-existent. There's a little bit in there, but not much. Can you see that? I'll just have to replace that. That's okay. You can get a $7 kit off eBay, or you can buy some self-adhesive foam and do it yourself. But I'll do another video later showing that. I'm really excited about this because I have almost every meter that Nikon came out with for the Nikon F, and this was not part of my collection yet, and I was excited to find one on eBay, so I got a good deal for it. And the only thing is I took a risk. I don't know if it works, but that's okay. I will test that out later with a battery. So next you want to check the mirror. The mirror looks pretty good. I don't see any scratches or anything on there. Let's get a flashlight. I don't see any scratches. No significant dirt or anything in there. It's pretty good. And the serial number is 68, so I'm guessing this was made around 67, 68. Let's check the timer. Timer's working. Let's check the shutter speed. So we've got it on 1000. Sounds good. Let's go to 500. You always want to check the shutter speeds, make sure they're working. Even if the seller tells you they work, I don't take their word for it. 250. It'll start getting slower with each one. 15. Yeah, see, it's starting to get slower now. 8. 2. Getting even slower. 1. And then bulb, I should be able to hold it. See? I can hold it for timed release. Hold it as long as I want. Now I don't want to do too much because, again, that bumper, it's not too good. But it doesn't seem to be doing any damage to the mirror, so it's okay. Next, you're going to want to check the meter. I have to learn about this meter. I don't know much about it yet, and I don't know if it works. I have to test it with a battery, but the viewfinder is clear. That slides right off when you press this button in. And let's see, the glass looks nice and clear. There's no fungus in there. A lot of times you'll find separation and fungus inside the meter. And considering the age of this meter, it looks really good. I really hope it's going to work. Take off the battery compartment. Let's see. I don't know if that's clean. Now, normally I would have liked to use alcohol, 90% alcohol, but because that dries quicker and you really don't want to put water in your camera. but I don't have any alcohol, so I'm just going to use a tiny bit of water and a Q-tip to clean out the battery compartment. Tiny, tiny bit of water on my Q-tip, just to get the dust out of here. Be very careful too that you don't leave any pieces of your Q-tip behind. And quickly dab that water up. Seems okay, not a lot of dirt in there. Everything looks okay. Alright. Dry it off real good. Now, screw that back on. Everything looks pretty good on it. So, put that aside for now. And then we got the focusing guide in there. It looks like it's probably an A. Let's take it out, press the button, and it falls out. And we've got an A. I would like to get some new ones because I'm not too crazy about the A with the split screen focusing. So now to put it back in, press this button again, slide it right back in there, and release, and it's back in there. Let's check the curtain now. Turn it over, turn the lock off, slip it off. That's the thing about a Nikon F, is the door slips off, which some find it's a pain when you're out and about taking pictures. Let's see, so it looks pretty good. There's no marks on it. Looks pretty good. Looks good to me. Everything looks pretty clean. I'm pretty happy with it so far. Now let's slip that back on. Lock it up. So that's it for testing the mechanics of it. Now you would just want to clean it up with one of these cloths. So just dampen that. It also came with the 24mm 2.8 Nikon N lens, which I'm excited about getting that. It looks pretty good. Opens up. Just need to clean the lens. Nice and clean. Gently. I'll put this back on it to protect it until I use it. Now let's just do a quick kind of disinfecting wipe down of the outer parts. I just use a wipe, a wet one. You can use Clorox wipes if you want. I don't like using that stuff. My health problems and stuff, I don't really like breathing that in. Some nastiness on there. Get the bottom. And let's get the viewfinder clean. Everything looks good. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for my unboxing of my new Nikon F photo mic. I can't wait to do a review on it and get to using it and hopefully get this meter working and learn more about it and share it with you guys. So let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd want to know about Nikon F. Soon I'll have a series up showcasing all my other Nikon Fs that I have with all the different meters and accessories. And hopefully I'll get more information to you guys. Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe please, and a thumbs up if you like what you saw. And let me know if you'd want to see more unboxings in the future, if I get anything else. And yeah, and anything else you'd want to see, let me know.